show again.
Today's show is about hovercrafts. We'll tell you all about them.
And then we'll build one. And here's what we'll build.
I'll turn it on and we'll see what it can do.
It hovers.
Since it hovers, there's less friction between it and what's below it. It can glide over surfaces.
Over land and water. Since they can drive over land and water, they are called amphibious vehicles.
Let's explain how they work. A simple hovercraft design has large fans that blow air downwards, creating a cushion of air for the hovercraft to glide on. Flexible skirts keep the air from escaping and increase the height of the cushion. There's also another fan blowing backwards in order to propel the hovercraft forwards. Large hovercraft like this have been used as ferries for carrying people and cars and military operations. Smaller hovercraft are used as rescue vehicles on water and ice, and the smallest ones are used by people racing for fun.
Our DIY hovercraft is fun and easy to make.
All you'll need is a box of thin cardboard, like this cracker box, a couple of drone motors and propellers, some stiff wire, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery holder, wire connectors, a crafting knife or scissors, and tape. We'll start by cutting the face off of the box. This will be the bottom. Now we'll cut 2 holes the same distance from each end of the box. Next, we'll wind the wire around each motor in a tight loop, and then secure it with tape. To hold this onto the box better, I'm going to make a loop of wire at each end of the motor holding wire. And then we'll tape this to the underside of the box. Next, we'll make a small hole to let the wires from the motor come up through the box. Now we can attach the battery to the top of the box, trying to make it so that its weight is in the center. Now we can connect these motor wires to our wire connector. And now we can attach the battery wires into the slots on the other side of the wire connector. If we get them the wrong way around, one or both of the propellers might spin the wrong way. It looks like I got it right in this case.
Time to try it out.
We hope you'll join us again next month. See our website at geekpackhack.com, where adults can send us comments and get info on supplies and other project details. If you enjoy our show, We'd love it if you'd help us grow our channel by subscribing and giving us the thumbs up.